Hello everyone. So in this video, I will showcase my new project, which is I totally developed through by using AI agent. Basically, I use AI Windsurf. In that, I use the AI agent is SWE 1.5. There I created this kind of animated website of it's a kind of showcase of premium motorcycles. So let's go through these websites. It's a small portfolio kind of website. So let's go to the first slide. So this is about first bike, Kawasaki Ninja, and then we have a Royal Enfield, and then we have a KTM, and then we have a TVS Apache, and then we have a Ducati. So these are the thing you can see here. And also, if we can see this, we have each bike have a acceleration sound. If you notice that, so that's it. And you can share this if you want. On clicking this, you can just see the share the respective detail to there where you want. So that's it from my end. Thank you. I hope you like this. This is the showcase video of my portfolio regarding premium motorcycle website. That's it, which is created by the uh, and AI.